Hi guys, how are all of you doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Today I am back with another important device which is going to increase your bandwidth speed, internet speed. For example, if you're using internet connection RJ45 connection using RJ45 jack like this directly plugged into your uh, laptop's Ethernet port. So this would be giving you little lesser speed unless if your laptop is not an gigabit Ethernet speed, which is 1000 Mbps speed. You will be getting a very less speeds, say up to 100 Mbps, like what I'm getting as of now. For example, I will show you a simple quick speed test which I'm going to do through this RJ45 Ethernet connection. So guys, you can see this is the speed test which I'm going to do now, and my Ethernet jack is only supporting up to 100 Mbps speed. It never goes beyond 100 Mbps speed. So yeah, you can see the download speed is just 93.79. It never crosses 100 Mbps. The connection is coming from this, and my Ethernet connection coming out of this D-Link dual band router is around close to 300 Mbps. So how do I use that extra bandwidth coming out of my router? This clearly is not supporting above 100 Mbps. So for this, I have found out a solution. Uh, this is what is the device which I'm going to uh, tell you about, which I've purchased. This is called USB 3.0 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter, which is super speed. This particular device is from TP-Link brand. TP-Link is a good brand, even though it is a Chinese company. It is a good brand. It is reliable, and this comes in a foldable design. So let me show you the exact model of this on the box. Yes guys, as you can see, the model number is UE300. So this is the model number. Now let me get into the TP-Link's website. Yeah, this is the official TP-Link website, and this is the product, a USB 3.0 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. So this particular thing has USB 3 port, which supports a very high speeds, and it has an input of Gigabit Ethernet port. One side it has USB 3, and the other side it has 1000 Mbps Gigabit Ethernet port. So this how you have to connect is you need to just open this box. Let me try showing you that. Guys, excuse me for my camera. Let me open this box for you. Let me pull the device out first. Yes, it's a little difficult opening with just one hand. So sorry guys. So this is the actual device. So let me put the box aside and let me pull this out of the box. There is a little bit of paperwork manual given here. You can go through that. I'm not going to go through that as this is a simple device. So this is how it looks, guys. This is the TP-Link branding on one side, and here is your USB 3 port, and it comes in a folded cable design. So it's neat, it's easy to store, and this is your Gigabit Ethernet port, as he explained. So let me put these boxes aside for now, and let me try to pull this out from this. This is how you pull it out, and this is how it comes out, and this is how it looks. So now on one side you need to pull out your Ethernet cable and then plug it into your device onto this USB. Yeah, let me just hold it close to the camera and then try plugging it in. Yes, so this is how I have to plug it in, guys. So once you plug in, this USB 3 port should be plugged in to your USB. Even though your laptop has USB 2 connection, even if it is a little older laptop, so this USB 2 connection also will give you up to 450 Mbps. So in this case, mine is my internet connection is 300 Mbps, and my USB 2, which is on this older laptop, gives me up to 450 Mbps, which my Ethernet port was never giving me beyond 100 Mbps. So now I have plugged it in, guys. This is how you plug it in. Now you have got your uh, internet logo here from the wired cable. Now let me get back to the speed test and then show you guys how much of speed I'm getting. Yes, the speed test is running. Now let's see. Just check that speed out, guys. Out of 300 Mbps connection, I'm getting more than 200 Mbps, which is close to 230 Mbps, which is pretty clean, decent, and super speed. As this guy on the box has claimed, uh, is a super speed Ethernet adapter. This is really super speed, and as my laptop is an older one and has only USB 2 port, which supports only up to 450 Mbps, this is not just limited to 450 Mbps, guys. This device has a USB 3 connection, which literally gives you up to 1 gigabit of Ethernet speeds. That is 1000 Mbps of Ethernet speeds. So I'm running the speed test again for the second time just to show it to you guys. So again, you're getting a very consistent speed of 230, 231. I think 231 is a very consistent speed out of this. So this is how you plug it in, and there is a small LED which blinks on top of this. Guys, whoever are looking for literally getting good speeds out of your internet connection, I would definitely prefer this small little device, which is good, which is really good. I suggest it. It costs you, I think, on Amazon. Let me show you Amazon's price. This is the product, guys, TpLink UE300 model, and the price of this on Amazon currently is 1099 Indian rupees. So you can definitely go for this, guys, and you will really enjoy beautiful speeds out of this. This is your host Harikishan signing off and requesting you to like, subscribe, and share for more such technical tips. Bye bye. I will meet you in my next video.